Greetings everyone. Join us as we are relieved that excitement of our in-house Science, Maths and Arts exhibition i.e. Jigyasa 3.0, The Khoj, failed on the 11th of January 2025. A day dedicated to igniting young minds and fostering a love for scientific exploration. The event commenced with a traditional lamp lighting ceremony by the honorable members of the Board of Management. Headmistress Madam of both the section and Supervisor Madam symboling the illumination of knowledge and the pursuit of wisdom. Following this auspicious beginning, we had a captivating speech on National Science Day by Ms. Parinita Vedande, emphasizing the role of science in all aspects of life and its profound impact on all scientific and technological progress. To further enhance the learning experience, a thought-provoking mime was performed by grade 6 students, they creatively conveying the urgent message of water conservation and the importance of sustainable water practices. Concept of the act was by Mrs. Sangeeta Nayak, voiceover Mrs. Vidya Sahare, and technical assist by Mr. Shrikant Ambore. The student highlights of the day arrived with esteemed presence of our beloved Chairman Sir, and the members of the Board of Management who graciously inaugurated the exhibition. Words of encouragement and support inspired all present to embrace the spirit of inquiry and strive for excellence. Our Honorable Treasurer, Shri Biju Thomas Sir, and Honorable Joint Treasurer Shri I.C. Thomas Sir taking an insight of the exhibits. Our Honorable Secretary Shri N.N. Nair Sir, with the consolation prize winning team, and guide teacher was Mrs. Darshana Parekh. Our Honorable Member of the Board of Management, Shri K. C.R. Sir, and Secondary Supervisor, Mrs. Prabha Nair Madam, appreciating the student for their exhibits. Our Honorable Chairman Shri M. P. Ajagavkar Sir with the S. Watt Second Prize winning Junior Group Teaching Aid presented by Mr. Roshan Gupta, which was also selected for district level science exhibition. A glimpse of S. Watt Science Project with Honorable Chairman Sir and Headmistress Madam, along with maths and science teachers. The exhibition itself was a dazzling showcase of creativity and scientific brilliance. 2 runs of pre-primary, primary, and secondary section presented a wide array of innovative projects, demonstrating their deep understanding of scientific concepts and their ability to apply them in unique and imaginative ways. The Art Corner, inspired by our teachers, demonstrated the powerful connection between creativity and scientific inquiry, highlighting the role of imagination and artist expression in drawing scientific exploration. It was a refreshing addition that Honorable Chairman Sir exploring the projects on critical issue of population education alongside captivating demonstrations of the wonders of science, inspiring a deeper understanding of our world and its future. And Sir enthusiastically inspects the Thriving Nature Club project, witnessing firsthand the students' dedication to environmental conservation. A big thank you to our brilliant Young Minds primary section and their dedicated teachers for creating such inspiring science exhibition. There are words, passion for learning and innovative ideas was really mind-blowing. Our heartfelt appreciation for the truly remarkable exhibits showcased by our budding scientist pre-primary section and their amazing teachers. The exhibit were a testament to the dedication and hard work of everyone involved. A deeply impressive display made by Raju Bhau, not only depicting the story Thirsty Crow, but also creating an awareness about the importance of water. enthusiastically visited the exhibition to appreciate and motivate the students. Their presence in large numbers was very overwhelming. Undoubtedly enriched the overall experience for all who attended. The exhibition was a resounding success, filled with excitement, learning, and a palpable sense of community. It provided a valuable platform for our young scientists to showcase their talents, learn from each other, and ignite their passion for scientific discovery. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all who contributed to the success of this memorable event. We look forward to many more such enriching experiences that will nurture the scientific spirit within our students and inspire them to reach for the star. Please share, like, and subscribe our video. Thank you.